Welcome to this session on interpreting Feng-GUI reports and leveraging insights and recommendations to optimize your designs. In this video, we'll explore how to understand the key insights these reports offer, such as heat maps, gaze plots, and areas of interests, to identify focal points and potential weak spots in your design. Additionally, we'll cover how to apply actionable recommendations from these insights to improve user engagement, enhance visibility of key elements like CTAs, and refine the overall user experience. Let's examine this package design and its accompanying analysis reports. High attention is primarily focused on the central female character's face, 1, the product image on the right, 2, and the Venus logo, 3. These areas are marked with red gaze points, indicating strong visual interest. Moderate attention is placed on the secondary characters and the Justice League logo, 4 to 5, as well as the textual information beside the product. Low attention areas include the background elements and the bottom textual and branding details, indicated by green and yellow gaze points. Areas with over 75% attention include the central Wonder Woman female figure, receiving 100% attention, and the product and logo areas, Venus and the Olay product, receiving 52% and 40% respectively. Areas with attention between 25% to 75% cover the movie logo Justice League and the bottom textual information block. Here are some actionable recommendations. Visual hierarchy. Increase the contrast and size of the secondary text elements to make them more visually appealing. Placing critical text in a more central location could help in drawing attention to important information. Consider adjusting the layout to make the product details more prominent, as they are essential for brand communication. Harmonize the visual elements to create a cohesive viewing experience that naturally leads the eye from the central figure to the product and its descriptions. Enhance the visual appeal of the Justice League logo and associated characters with colors or graphic techniques to draw more attention to these branding elements. Improve the use of color and imagery to guide the viewer's eye through the display in a logical sequence. Applying vibrant colors or patterns to key informational points can facilitate better information retention and emphasis. Let's examine this web page design and its Feng-GUI analysis reports. Starting with the gaze plot report, you can see that high gaze concentration, red gaze points, is on the strike at light speed text, the basketball player's face, and the sports ball. Medium gaze concentration, yellow gaze points, is on the product images, particularly the central and right product images. And low gaze concentration is on the left side menu and Learn More button. Let's look at the AOI's report. Areas with attention over 75% include the strike at light speed text, the basketball player, and the sports ball. Areas with medium attention between 25% to 75% include the headline, the center product, and the right product. Areas with attention lower than 25% include the Learn More button and the left menu. Here are some actionable recommendations. Improve the visual hierarchy by increasing the prominence of the Learn More button, perhaps by making it larger, changing its color, or placing it directly adjacent to the high-interest areas like the strike at light speed text. Reorganize the layout to direct more attention to the product categories listed in the left menu. This can be achieved by using bolder, more eye-catching typography or visual elements like icons. Enhance the visibility of important calls to action like Learn More by increasing their size and/or contrast. Additionally, consider adding more engaging headers or descriptions to the medium attention areas, such as the product images. Incorporate design elements such as arrows or lines, guiding the viewer's eyes from the high attention areas to the low attention areas, e.g., from the strike at light speed text and the basketball player towards the Learn More button. As we reviewed the insights and recommendations from Feng-GUI reports, here's a surprise. The analysis you just saw was powered by OpenAI. Through our integration with OpenAI, we're able to enhance the interpretation of your reports with AI-driven insights. OpenAI's advanced language and visual models analyze the data, providing smart, actionable recommendations on how to improve your designs. This integration allows you to not only see where attention is focused, but also receive expert advice on optimizing key elements. With AI insights, your reports are now smarter and more effective, helping you enhance user engagement. Thank you for your attention. See you at the next session.